you seen a little gray robot anywhere? Green eyes, red antenna, very charming.
Sorry,
Yeah. Please let there be good news behind here.
Welcome to the Nefarious City Bazaar. Please remember to thank our marvelous Emperor before, during, and after making your purchase.
Emperor? Does that mean there are two Nefariouses now? Clank first, Nefarious later. Maybe he's in this bazaar.
Hey, Lombax!
You think those purple rifts are a resistance box? I hope the Emperor will keep us safe.
Wait a second.
You forgot your order? Well, come right in. Miss Zircon will sell you weapons, but you gotta be less conspicuous, or the resistance will not last.
The Resistance?
Oh, apologies, sugar. Miss Zircon is still new to all of this espionage.
Release the hostage!
Clank! No. I need to go after that ship. How can I get off planet?
It's a test. Only royal starships are allowed to leave. Anything else? Phantom can help. Just follow the beat to Club Nefarious and you will find him.
Club Nefarious, got it. Oh, and nice work, Secret Agent Zircon.
This is so exciting.
What's Club Nefarious gonna sound like?
Buy something, mister?
Just Nefarious City! I just wanted to let you all know that your Emperor has returned. The Emperor!
Oh, honey, Club Nefarious is not a bear, but a resistant spybot is, if that is what you are looking for.
Resistance Spybot? Sounds useful. Could be worth a look.
Now that I'm back, I'm starting Operation Dream Job. What does that mean? We all get to roleplay as if I just became
Gotta keep looking. The sooner I find Club Nefarious and this Phantom, the sooner I can get to Clank.
In need of re-education! The target!
Yeah.
Caution! A resistant spybot has been sighted on the factory. Please do not approach until our breaching squads have located and eradicated this threat to the Empire.
Eradicated? I better head to the loading platform fast. Absolutely.
Looks like it.
Rebel agitator.
This spy bot must have Omega level secrets inside of it or something if everyone's going after it. The loading platform must be just ahead.
Mandatory 23-hour shift policy. Production is up 200%.
That guy is lost.
Yeah, I really hope I win because... Wait, what is this again? I have no idea what's going on.
I'll take it. The loading platform must be just ahead.
Mandatory 23-hour shift policy. Production is up 200%.
Hours until your lunch break.
I don't think I have anything that can get me over there. Yet.
A detractor in our midst. Take cover, friends.
Research shows cramped work environments are great for team building.
Do not worry. I am here to help end your life. Will it? Right? Taking a shot.
Much more of this.
Awesome.
Spybot's mine. I could use some nanotech. All right.
You found a resistant spybot! Hooray! They contain intel on different planets and plans for a secret weapon if you collect enough of them!
Now, it is now a crime to disagree with and
Gotta keep looking. The sooner I find Club Nefarious and this Phantom, the sooner I...
You want to bring the party to every fight?
The only weapon who has destroyed Little Zircon's enemies and performed at his last birthday party, Mr. Fun Guy. Just throw him out and he will strike your enemies so hard they will have to deal with his antics. Which is the perfect time for you to join in on the fun.
Nothing sweeter than the smell of gunpowder. You all come back real soon now.
That sounds like a club, all right.
Remember, drinks are half price with your Club Nefarious membership card.
Come on, Phantom, where are you? Hi, yeah, are you the Phantom? Is there a Phantom around here?
Only a dancing machine. Watch out now.
Resistance alert! Resistance alert!
Can't believe! First mission in forever and my cover's blown!
Phantom? Is Skid? Better take care of these guys or they'll go after Phantom too. Phantom! Wait!
Who are you? I was just in the middle of a mission.
I'm Ratchet. I heard you were...
No names! You gotta be smarter than that if you want to join the Resistance, new guy.
Why does everyone think I'm with the Resistance?
Keep your distance, friend. Incoming!
There has to be something around here I can use to reach Phantom. Will you please stop running? Is this some kind of test? It is, isn't it? Hey, wait! Hey, wait!
There he is! The fuzzball from the club!
Oh boy. I'll handle this. Phantom, you just get to safety.
Resistance ends here!
Let me give you a hand.
Nice work,
Now,
new
where'd
guy.
you go? Thanks. What is this? Some kind of secret handshake? Hey! What do I do with it?
All right, new guy. Try out your Phantom Dash.
Phantom Dash?
Enemy can't catch what doesn't temporarily exist. Jump and Phantom Dash! The glove handles the rest! Ah! Don't be scared. Use the glove to run along those panels. You want to go even further? Jump and Phantom Dash!
I need a royal starship to find my friend. I heard you know where to get one.
Shh, it's not safe here. Just stay close.
Can you get a royal starship or not?
Lombaxes. You are just as stubborn as she is.
Wait, you know that other Lombax? Where did she go?
Sargasso. She always goes there after a mission.
Sargasso.
I'll make you a deal. You see that blimp? You help me take control of it, and I'll help you get into Nefarious Tower. It's the only place in the city you're gonna find a royal starship.
What's so special about the blimp?
Just find a way up to that rooftop. I gotta grab my gear. But I'll meet you up there.
Rooftop? How do I get to that rooftop? I'm coming, Clank. Just hang on.
Love Nefarious!
I will not.
Hold on, honey. You headed to the roof? You should use that raritanium in your pockets to upgrade your arsenal first. When you it. Upgrade titanium. See? Why settle for a good weapon when you can make it magnificent? Always worth the cost to keep your weapons in tip-top shape. You are really gonna be the life of the party now. Boost that bad boy! You picked that one up already.
Thanks again for the help, Secret Agent Zircon.
Good luck up there! And Miss Zircon was never here!
Did you try the drinks? You can get them all for 1% of your yearly salary.
So you made it after all. Impressive.
Wait, you can see me? Where are you? You got my starship ready?
You'll get it, don't you worry. I just need you to help me with one last threat. Nefarious Day Spa. If you can distract these troopers, I'll hack Nefarious's propaganda blimp and give this city a message it'll never forget.
looks easy enough.
I do enjoy a scalding hot oil bath. Is what I am programmed to say.
Excuse me, sir. This plastic battery...
This oil is hot.
You know what they say. Happy Emperor, happy trooper.
Ordered the toxic crab legs. Show too.
Citizens of Nefarious City, this is the voice of the Resistance. This is the voice of truth. And the truth is, we need to talk. The Resistance, the growing collection of citizens who are sick and tired of your diabolical dictatorship.
The resistance is here. First they come for our local... Now our... Difficult violence.
I have it in my sight.
Please refrain from further attack.
It's time for this.
Forget the code. Actions speak louder than words.
Finally! Nefarious Tower, here I come.
Wow, where'd you learn how to Looks like I touched a nerve. All right, deal's a deal. That's Glitch. She'll help you get onto the Emperor's private shuttle to the tower. Access console's in that huge statue of Nefarious in the center of the city. Just hook her up, and she'll handle the rest.
What are you doing?
Tearing this whole rotten world down from the inside.
Huh?
Stay strong, brother!
How do you expect me to get to the bazaar from here? That'll work. All right. All I gotta do now, whoa, this is fast, is head to the statue, use Glitch, get a starship, and then find Clank on Sargasso. I'm on my way, buddy. Just hang in there for a little bit longer. Aha! That has to be the access console.
Getting in line is against the law.
Where did you even come from?
You will see the light soon.
see you have survived the journey. Give up while you still can, Lombax.
Not again! At least it was a round trip. Come on!
I am trying to destroy you as fast as I can.
I've seen worse! There. Now I can finally plug Glitch into this access console. Ha! Yeah, hi. You must be Glitch. I'm Ratchet. Sorry for all the jostling around earlier. Things aren't exactly going well, and... Actually, I think you're the only one who can help me right now. Thanks.
Ratchet. Huh. Seems like a nice guy. I probably just have to delete some files, and then he'll be all set. There are viruses here? I can't be training for this. Electro guns, please don't kill me now. That virus pod's sucking energy from the computer. Hey, cut it out. The infection is starting to clear. Good. I guess I can try to take out the rest now. That was all me. I did it. Oh man, I really wow. Anyway, looks like the computer is back online.
You did it, Glitch!
Welcome back, your most majestic majesty.
Here we go.
Traps, warp-bombs, 5-planet destroying cannons, and a surveillance state covering the entire city. If only that blasted Dimensionator still worked.
Clank.
Huh? After him! No!
I'm coming, Clank. No, 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 no!
Welcome, oh master of us all. Password, please.
Why do I need a password? I'm the Emperor. How about I obliterate you instead? Ha 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 ha!
Bring me that Lombax!
Then this Dimensionator was stolen by Dr. Nefarious, who used it to bring you here? Now you just have to find your friend, who is also miraculously a Lombax, to save the day.
And get home.
You must seriously think I'm an idiot. Look, as real as I'm sure this Dr. Nefarious is, this has the Emperor written all over it.
Help! They under attack! Anyone?
Mort? What's going on?
Oh dear.
Brace for impact!
Oh. Look out!
What do you think I'm doing?
Where are you taking me?
I was gonna take you to my hideout. But first, I gotta rescue my friends at their gelatonium factory. Right over my hideout. I haven't been out this far in a while. Got a lot of swamp acid between here and the Mort's gelatonium factory.
Those beetles appear to have no issue with the acidic swamp water.
Speedles, yeah. That's why I'm gonna ride one. As soon as I can get close enough.
Ratchet, can you read me? Oh dear. My communicator must be broken.
Of course. Morts will be at their gelatonium factory. Gotta find a way through the swamp.
You dispatch them quite capably.
Bruh.
We are not compatible with acid.
Where's that Speedle going?
It appears some dimensional distortion is emanating from that cave.
Runs into that rift thingy. All right, smarty bot. What is this place?
A dimensional pocket? Perhaps a symptom of the Dimensionator's destruction.
Hey, it's Maynard, the Morts' helper bot. Must have wandered in through the rift somehow.
There is the Speedle.
No, don't hide! Ugh.
Hitting its nest might get...
Well, hello there. Gotcha!
Oh, dear.
can lead me to the boards.
Now, if we could get away from this acid...
Come on, Maynard! Let's find the Mort! Excuse me!
Look out!
I got it! See? Sometimes I don't crash.
Please, be careful!
What did I say about backseat driving? Stop! Stop, stop, stop! There's the gelatonium factory. I'm coming, Morts.
We didn't follow that Lombax and his robo-pet across dimensions just to get stopped by some fuzzballs. So you got like 9.5 seconds to tell us where they're at. 1.
Hang on there now.
See? They are looking for Ratchet. I am telling the truth.
Whatever, Bolts. I'm gonna save my friends. Hey! I know where you can find a Lombax.
Another Lombax? Tell us where your friend is, Rosafino.
Where are these doofuses coming from?
Perhaps they were sucked through the dimensional vortex as well.
Mort! Good, you're okay.
Us? Oh, when we heard those fellas were after a Lombax, we were worried about you. The next thing we know, you're here saving our behinds.
Wait, where are the others?
Well, some of the Morts are stuck inside of that mess there. Not a clue what it is. All I know is it keeps getting bigger. Oh, between that and our new neighbor up there, we're not doing too fine.
Don't worry, I'll take care of it. Oh, and to keep you all busy while I'm gone, got this at Zerky's. Mort can finally fix that ship she's been working on.
Zerkies? Oh, those pirates didn't give you any trouble, did they?
Only a little.
You can give this to Mort yourself once you get her from that purple mess over there.
This wasn't what was in my account last time.
Oh, that is because I added our mutual friend on Nefarious City.
Okay.
Need a beam that will not quit?
Legends tell of a weapon that contains energy so powerful, a beam of it will obliterate enemies with the mere press of a button. And it is called the Negatron Collider. Obliterate your enemies in a row, or sweep your collider through the crowd. The energy to blast away evil is in your hands.
Enemies not getting the
The ricochet! Pull the fire trigger to shoot it at your useless enemy! Oh my! And then it will pop back up next to them!
ahead, Shug. That is a great deal. Glad to be of service.
Okay. Do not enter. Got it.
May I take a look? I have some experience with dimensional anomalies.
Sure.
Greetings! Welcome! How did you get in here?
Where exactly is, here?
Oh, you don't know? Well, I don't either. It appears to be a space between dimensions. Could be nothing. Could be a cascading entropic fissure that will soon turn the entire universe into a formless soup. Time will tell.
Oh. Oh dear. Well, I am Clank. Please allow me to help.
Right, yes, Clank. I am the all-seeing cosmic prophet of interdimensional sector 2255 phase Omega. But you can call me Gary. Here we are, Clank. Former warbot, teamed up with the Lombax, became a hero. Ooh, good for you. Ooh, friend of my father. I see.
Your father?
You might just be the one I've been waiting for. Would you like to help me fix the dimensions?
You know how to fix the dimensions? And why are there copies of me running around?
They're your possibilities. The key to repairing the stuff. But first, pick up that nearby sphere. This is a lift sphere. It can reduce the gravity on any object it touches. It seems your possibilities are what keeps an anomaly from collapsing. They look like you because that's how you interpret dimensionality. But as you can see, they've lost their way. If you can guide them to the meta-terminal ahead, you will begin to repair this anomaly. Now, enter the meta-terminal and you'll be one step closer to fixing this dimensional anomaly.
I feel like things are slowly starting to make sense, dimensionally speaking.
Ah, a speed sphere. That'll get you moving. Good.
I bet some extra speed could make quick work of that barrier. Do you live on Sargasso too, Gary?
Savali, actually. I've been studying in the archive. It's the greatest repository of dimensional knowledge I've ever seen.
That device may be able to redirect my possibilities. There must be a way to activate it.
Outstanding! You seem to be a natural at this, Clank.
I am cautiously optimistic. I feel myself learning something by completing these puzzles, but I cannot explain what it is.
The words will come to you when you are ready. Now, lead your possibilities to the final meta-terminal. And not to stress you out, but there's a lot riding on this. Like, a lot.
If I fix this anomaly, will that fix all the damage that has been done in this dimension?
Oh no, anomalies are spreading too quickly to do that. I'm afraid a dimensional cataclysm is coming, and our only hope to stop it is with that which caused it.
The Dimensionator?
Indeed. But if repairing anomalies is helping you learn about dimensionality, I think you'll soon be able to learn enough to save us all. Hopefully.
I wonder if I will be able to solve all of this in the end.
What makes you say that?
It has been a long time since I have been a hero. And with everything that happened with the Dimensionator, I am concerned.
In times of great stress, which seems to be every day of my life, I've always found it best to take things one step at a time. Focus on what's in front of you.
0G on demand.
Ratchet Clank! You repaired the anomaly! And now we're one step closer to stopping the dimensional cataclysm.
So then I says, listen, Mort, you, Mort, and Mort better hide that lemonade before Mort shows up.
Whoa! You saved them! How did you do that?
I am uncertain.
Rivet! How the heck are you?
Look who it is!
You would not believe my luck today. My trip to Nefarious City went totally sideways. I wrecked my ship, and
You go on and leave that one to old Mort. Well, assuming you brought that part I asked for, I'll have this old thing in ship shape.
just gotta lower the bridge, and then I'm taking you to my hideout.
What are we going to do there?
You'll find out soon enough.